here.
Who the hell is that?
Gordon Freeman.
Gordon Freeman. Finally here.
Look, we have enhanced explosives to this power cell. The core is currently running a cell which is depleting. We
Yeah.
need someone to perform the replacement, which has to be done manually from the central train control. The bomb will be detonated upon touching the coolant.
You bet. Let's go. Oh boy, here we go.
I can't believe this day has finally come.
Here goes.
Go on without us. We got stuff to do.
Godspeed, Freeman.
Have you seen the range from that Tesla weapon? I bet it can destroy a combine lock several meters away.
Yeah,